doesn't matter who's wrong, it doesn't matter who's right. Right now we should all be pushing back tonight. Can we all put our differences aside? Now's the time we all need every kind of light. It's just a song about the sun and the moon. Yeah, the sun and the moon. Now when he's full, he's a little crazy. At other times he's shy. But that old sun can be a little shady. He thinks he owns the sky. I may be cool, but I ain't proud. And you're a little too hot and a little too loud. That's what the moon said.